Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Gerber fillet knife is probably one of the most essential tools for any angler or seafood enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having a reliable fillet knife can make all the difference in preparing your catch. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, performance, and overall value of the Gerber fillet knife, helping you decide if it's the right tool for your needs. Number 5. KastKing Speed Demon Pro Fillet Knife. Introducing the KastKing Fillet Knife, featuring a razor-sharp G4116 German stainless steel blade with a sleek black finish. This knife maintains its edge in both fresh and saltwater, making filleting fish and cutting bait easier than ever. The knife features a comfortable, non-slip super polymer grip for your safety and comfort. It feels great in your hand, ensuring a solid grip, and is easy to clean, keeping it looking good for longer. The 5-inch bait knife is stiff and strong, perfect for cutting frozen bait. The 6-inch, 7, and 9 fillet knives offer the perfect flexibility for perfect fillets. The 9-inch staking knife is a powerhouse for big game fish. Each knife includes a lightweight and durable sheath to protect the blade and keep you safe. The unique design locks the handle in place for safety and allows for easy removal when needed. KastKing fishing knives are available in various lengths and shapes, ensuring you have the right tool. From the 5-inch bait knife to the 9 staking knife, it's covered by a warranty against workmanship and materials. What we like. This knife boasts incredibly sharp blades, perfect for effortless filleting. If you're looking for a reliable and safe knife with a comfortable grip, this is a great choice. It's designed to maintain its edge, making it ideal for both fresh and saltwater use. If you like a durable and easy-to-clean knife, you should consider this one. What people say. The blade stays razor sharp. The handle has a nice grip, and the knife has a good weight to it, light enough to handle easily, but heavy enough to feel sturdy. Super sharp and cuts through fish and the skin super easily. Number 4. Dalstrong 7 Fillet Knife, Gladiator Series Elite. This knife is a testament to outstanding craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. It's designed with stunning elements and materials, ensuring peak performance. It's a must-have for any butcher or fishmonger. The blade is incredibly razor-sharp, made from high-carbon German steel. The narrow, flexible design allows it to glide smoothly, separating meat effortlessly. The tapered tip is perfect for maneuvering around smaller bones. The black G10 Gerolite handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. It's triple riveted for durability and maneuverability, perfect for busy kitchen environments. You'll feel the quality with every use. Engineered to perfection with a Rockwell hardness of 56+ and a satin finish. The blade's design improves hardness and flexibility, minimizing slicing resistance. The length reduces fatigue, making long cuts effortless. Dalstrong knives make the perfect gift. Crafted with precision and durability, it's built to last a lifetime. This exceptional knife is a generational treasure that will be cherished. What we like. This knife is crafted with high-carbon German steel for exceptional sharpness and durability. It features a comfortable G10 handle for superior grip and maneuverability. If you are a professional chef or someone who values precision and quality in the kitchen, this knife is a must-have. If you are looking for a long-lasting and reliable tool, you should consider this. What people say. Man! This tool went to work. It has a good feel as you feel for the spine to ride along. The point is seriously dangerous in a good way to make your entrance, and the knife is not the problem. The weight, balance, handle stability, and relative stiffness flexibility feel of the blade are excellent. This fillet knife from Dalstrong was everything a premium and professional fillet knife should be and more. It certainly does have a flexible knife blade that is hand-polished to a mirror finish. It has perfect balance and it will make ultra-thin, clean slices to your fish. It is a breeze to clean, just running it under soapy water and towel drying. You can use the enclosed polishing cloth in between uses to always keep that mirror finish. It comes with a hard BPA-free protective sheath, but for the professional, it also comes with a PLU leather outdoor sheath with belt loop to keep the knife close at hand. Number 3. Rapala 6-inch Fillet Knife with Sharpener and Sheath. This knife features a razor-sharp 6-inch blade, crafted from premium stainless steel. It's designed for precision cutting, making filleting fish a breeze. You'll experience ease and accuracy with every use. Keep your blade in top condition with the included single-stage sharpener. This compact tool ensures the blade stays razor sharp. It guarantees consistent performance, allowing you to fillet fish with ease. The durable sheath provides safe storage and easy portability. This makes it perfect for use whether you're at home or on the go. It ensures the knife is protected when not in use. Designed with a comfortable, non-slip grip, this knife reduces hand fatigue. It ensures maximum control during filleting. You'll appreciate the comfort during extended use. Rapala is trusted by anglers around the world for its dedication to quality. This knife, like all Rapala products, is crafted by fishermen for fishermen. You can trust its quality and performance. What we like. This knife features a premium stainless steel blade for precise cuts and comes with a handy sharpener to maintain its edge. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort and control during use. If you like a complete package that is easy to maintain and use, this is a great option. If you are looking for a convenient and reliable knife for filleting, you should consider this. What people say. This knife is incredibly sharp and manages to stay sharp for years. The blade is good, nice and flexible also. It keeps a razor edge fillet after fillet and chews through bone like it's nothing. Number 2. Toadfish Stowaway 7 Folding Fillet Knife. This knife features premium, razor-sharp Japanese stainless steel blades with a black finish. It will maintain its edge longer in both fresh and saltwater, making cutting and filleting easier. The 7-inch Stowaway fillet knife is stiff and strong, with a serrated top edge. This allows you to cut frozen bait quickly and easily. The razor-sharp leading edge helps you prepare baits with ease. The handle provides a comfortable and slip-resistant grip for your safety. It feels great in your hand, ensuring you always have a solid grip. The handle also cleans up easily and stays looking good. Each knife is designed to easily open and close the blade, making it simple to stow away or store safely. This knife is the perfect travel companion for any adventure. Toadfish fishing knives are available in the most requested lengths and shapes. You'll always have the right tool for the job with this innovative design. What we like. This knife offers razor-sharp Japanese steel blades for efficient filleting. It also has a non-slip ergonomic handle for a secure grip and a built-in sheath for safe storage. If you are an angler who values portability and convenience, this is the perfect choice. If you like a compact and easy-to-carry fillet knife, you should consider this. What people say. Fits perfectly in my surf bag. Love the folding aspect. Being able to fold the knife and carry with the attached clip are great features. Number 1. Dalstrong Night Shark 6 Curved Boning Knife. This Night Shark boning knife is perfect for precise cuts. The curved, semi-flexible blade helps maximize meat yield. The pointed tip makes it easy to pierce joints and tendons. Forged from 7cr17 MOV stainless steel, this knife offers both sharpness and corrosion resistance. The titanium nitride coating ensures smooth cuts and protects the blade from wear and tear. It's built to handle any tough situation. The shark skin handle provides a secure grip, even in wet conditions. Made from heat-resistant materials, it can withstand extreme temperatures and rough environments. The design ensures safe and powerful slicing. This knife comes with a rugged ballistic nylon sheath. It features secure strap holes, so you can easily attach it to your belt or backpack. This blade is ready for anything, whether you're at home or in the wild. Enjoy a 100% satisfaction guarantee and a lifetime warranty. This knife is a generational treasure, crafted with precision and durability. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves to cook. What we like. This knife features a curved boning blade for precision butchery and a titanium-coated blade for durability. The shark skin handle provides a secure grip in any condition. If you are an outdoor enthusiast or someone who needs a reliable knife for tough environments, this is the perfect tool. If you have a need for a rugged and versatile knife, you should consider this. What people say. Great knife, it is my primary knife for full-time meat cutting job. Keeps its edge and it's nice having the finger grip for stability. Awesome knife make cutting meat commercially a breeze. The grip and thumb placement on knife helps alleviate hand soreness from repetition. Good knife keeps an edge well. It glides through the silver skin and I have used it to trim a few hundred tri-tips and the edge is still gliding through the meat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.